Yo, it's a totally different ball game when it comes to Jordan 4s. All of a sudden, I am super surprised that these oxidized greens are literally sitting everywhere, man. We got to talk about in today's video, and of course, we're going to spin our own feet in the video as well. So let's get right into it.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? It's your boy, DeVintage. If you ain't know who I was, man, we always up on here talking about sneaker restock, shop drops, reviews, no fees, and of course, your boy be touching almost everything early. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe right now, hit the notification bell as well, so you miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. You guys already know we do have on the OutRank tee that goes perfectly with the Oxidized Green Air Jordan 4s, and be sure to give you guys some B-roll of the tee. I'm talking about the graphics, the quality, and everything is top notch, and it's the only way to go and get your apparel as far as matching with the upcoming releases that we have been getting. And this right here might go pretty fast because this not only goes with the Oxidized Green 4s, but it goes with a lot of other releases we got in the past with this nice green colorway. So make sure you guys go tap in with OutRank. I'm gonna link them down below. Use my discount code DeVintage to save 10% off your entire order. I'm telling you, bro, you want to step out fresh, clean, you don't know where to go check out OutRank for the latest Oxidized Green Air Jordan 4 collection. And we also got the Air Jordan 1 denims to release today. Another one of those Air Jordan 1s that a lot of people were not feeling. They're currently sitting everywhere as well. But when it comes to the Air Jordan 4, you know, so I just thought that these, you know, were a bit more better as far as quality goes than the military blue. So I thought these right here was a no-brainer sellout, and I was sadly mistaken, which is not a bad thing. Just because it don't sell out don't mean the shoe is not bad at all. This is a fire colorway. It's a fire Air Jordan 4 quality, all that good stuff. But again, we're gonna talk about all that in today's video. So let's go ahead and get into it. So real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the Nike sneakers app. Like I said, we did get 2 Jordan drops on the same day, and I don't got no excuse, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing coming out in June or July to make people kind of push away from copping these. So I'm like, yo, I don't know what's going on, but again, this is the current state of how things have been going. A lot of things have been sitting. That $215 price tag is a little bit steep for a lot of people. So like, you know what, let's just pass up on it, then let them sit, and they're currently probably gonna be on the sale on Nike very, very soon, man. So go ahead and check out the Nike sneakers app. You guys can see, bro, you got Jordan 1 denims, you got Air Jordan 4 oxidized greens. All of these things are sitting right now currently, and I'm talking about almost every single size. So I'm gonna check one more time. Again, $215 a retail tag, and look at it, bro. Look at it, bro. All of them are sitting, man. I don't know what's been going on, bro. Dope Jordan 4 colorways, dope Jordan 1 colorways. They all have been sitting, but again, bro, the current market in terms of sneakers, the world, the economy, all that good stuff is kind of affecting some of these drops. And nonetheless, bro, if these Air Jordan 4 oxidized greens released back in like 2014, 15, 16, I go on and on, just for like the last couple years, it took a little, you know, back step to everything else because Jordan Brand is dropping a lot of colorways, but nonetheless, a super dope, man. So let's go ahead and get into a quick little 360, quick little review over these guys. And the first thing I did want to point out is the leather quality. I'm talking about tiers above the military blues. You guys know everybody was complaining about, you know, the military blue quality, how it was trash and all that good stuff. But these right here, I'm telling y'all, man, you just gotta see them in hand. If you have not went to the mall yet to go check them out, they literally sitting everywhere I just left. So you guys can go and see how good the quality is without me trying to seem like I'm selling the shoe. I'm not selling this shoe to you guys. I'm just a sneakerhead that bought some shoes, and I come up on YouTube and chop it up with you guys. So you can say I'm hyping up or not. It is what it is. Me personally, I told y'all even before I had the shoe that this is one of them ones. And I thought, though, you know, Jordan Brand could have mocked this quality and threw it on the military blues. That's just my opinion, bro. But, you know, Nike ain't listening to me. Jordan Brand listen to me. You know, they should, you know, hire your boys an advisor. We need some crazy stuff happening. And I keep talking about the military blues, so I just thought it was, you know, worthy enough for me to show in today's video. But again, bro, look at the differences in the quality. And I know if you do have the military blues, you guys know, came with some flat leather. It would have been nice to add the same leather as the oxidized greens or even the reimagined Brand 4s. They killed as far as the quality. But you see, y'all see what I'm talking about, man. I'm talking about the quality is killing the military blue, guys. That's just my opinion, and I know a lot of you guys can agree with me as well. And I can't believe I didn't even show you guys the box. The box was top tier. The box was dope. I think that's why we paid an extra $5 on the retail tag. Again, it was $215, not $210. You guys can see, man, dope box. Kind of got this like I don't know, glossy green with the white Jumpman, the flight, and the official colorway red, Air Jordan 4 retro white, oxidized green and white. And I got these in a size 9.5. I don't know what it's been lately. You guys know majority of my collection is size 9. I said, you know what, let me try to go up a half a size in some of these releases. And they've been so good on my feet, like the fit, the way I can lace them, and just overall comfortability throughout the entire day of me wearing my Air Jordan 4s I've been copping this year and last year in that 9.5. So I told y'all, man, kind of had a premium touch, the leather, and even checking out the heel. This is something totally different. And I guess you will have to see it in person, see it in hand, how it actually does look. Kind of matches the box. And it's not like your traditional Jumpman on the back of your heel tab of a Jordan 4. And also on the sock liner, even behind the tongue, got this satin material wrapped all the way around. Go ahead and check that out. And I feel like we just unboxed a pair of shoes. Oh, it was the Extra One First in Flights. We did an unboxing over those, and they had that same satin line on the inner of the shoe. So I don't know if that's the reason why we paid extra $5, not too sure. But overall, man, I can't complain. But if you check the resale, currently they are going for under retail. So if you don't in the need for a Jordan 4, you're not in the need for these oxidized greens, it might be best for you to wait a little bit for them to hit the sale or even a Nike outlet. And I thought something that was super dope about these is they had that sale little hit on the back of the midsole. Go ahead and check that out real quick. And it goes perfectly with the oxidized green hit and the overall all white leather on the upper of these guys. So that same kind of, you know, sparkly effect that you got in the box and on the heel of these Jordan 4s, you got that same material on the midsole. So the green hits here and wrapping around the entire shoe is kind of that same effect that you got on the box on the midsole. Definitely a shoe I think that will translate well going down the line. And I definitely feel like, you know, later down the line, like next year, 2026 time frame, it's gonna be people like, yo, I wish I would have grabbed them when I had the chance. So if you do have the opportunity to get them for under retail, I would jump on it, my honest opinion, because who knows how many Jordan 4s we're gonna be getting, you know, going into 2025 and 2026 in terms of non-OG colorways and stuff like that. And this is a solid Jordan 4 colorway in my opinion. I'm just saying, bro, I ain't trying to hype it up. I know it might seem like that, but usually you guys should know, I don't do on feet on every shoe, but shoes that I'm keeping in the collection, I would definitely throw on feet. Hence why we're doing a review on feet over these oxidized green guys and kind of recapping how the release date went. Not too sure on how long these will sit on Nike or how long they will sit in the mall, but I know they are everywhere. And what's kind of crazy is there was only 70,000 pairs on the Nike sneakers app, and literally every single size is still sitting. I don't know what's going on with that, man, but these joints is cold, man. I ain't gonna hold you. And I can't believe I got this far in today's video without asking you guys, man, did you go out and secure a pair of these oxidized green 4s? I know the lead up, the build up, the hype before the drop was kind of, it was a lot. Like me talking about these earlier, like last month, a lot of people saying it was copping, you know what I'm saying? They said needed a pair, they said they better than Militate Blues. And now we get to the release date and it seems like nobody is even talking about the oxidized greens now. And again, they sitting everywhere, man. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section again if you did cop, and let me know why you think these things are sitting. This is a solid colorway, or am I just tripping? Am I the only one that think these things is fire? Only one that think these things is gas? I can't be the only one, so I need to see you guys comments about how you feeling about the recently released Air Jordan 4 Oxidized Green. Again, man, make sure you guys go check out OutRank for the latest collection over the oxidized greens. You guys see the back of the tee as well. Super dope, super nice. It goes perfectly with these guys right here. So hey, I won't lead you guys in the wrong direction. Use that discount code DeVintage, save 10% off your entire order, and go ahead, look fresh, look right with the oxidized green Air Jordan 4s. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thanks for tapping into today's video. If you guys got any questions, comments, or concerns for these Air Jordan 4s in terms of sizing, in terms of how to lace, what to rock with them, all that good stuff, go ahead and drop them comments in the comment section. If you guys know, I'll respond to every single comment, and leave a huge like on today's video. Quick little recap over the Oxidized 4 green release this Saturday, and got the, you know, the Jordan 1 denims. I'm interested in knowing because it seemed like nobody was copying either one of them today on the Nike Sneakers app or even in my local mall, which is kind of crazy. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. We're gonna go ahead and throw these things on feet, but again, drop them comments, let me know how you're feeling about it, and I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.